guys, today I'm going to do grinding tips vid. Let's go! Tip number 1, put your pets into the pet house pen, especially the ones that aren't fully grown yet. And it will auto-collect the money. This is a really good grinding tip. Tip number 2, get a house that's either a pizza house or better. Then throw a party and also list it for trade. Wait for people to come. Ask if they would like to trade for the house. They said no, so I JST traded pets. Tip number 3 is to go to the salon. Get a job and stay AFK, and this will get you a lot of money. That's it for this vid, guys, and good luck!